There are days, aren't there? Days when the weight of it all feels immense. A quiet pressure that settles on your shoulders, unseen by the world around you. If life feels heavy right now, I want you to hear this. It's not because you're weak. It's a testament to your resilience. It's because you've been chosen, in a way, to bear a load that would crumble others. This capacity to endure, to keep putting one foot in front of the other even when the path is steep, that is a profound and quiet strength. The natural world holds so much wisdom for us if we just listen. There's an old saying that I often return to. The strongest trees face the toughest winds. Storms don't destroy strong trees. They shape them, forcing their roots to dig deeper, to find a more solid anchor in the earth. Your challenges are not punishments. They are your training. They are the gales that teach you how to hold your ground. Remember, life gives immense pressure to diamonds, not to common rocks. It knows what you're capable of becoming, and life gives its greatest battles to its most dedicated warriors, not to the weak or the unwilling. You are being forged, not broken. These hard times aren't here to shatter you. They are here to meticulously build you into the person you need to be for the life you are quietly praying for. Every struggle is a lesson, every setback a redirection. So stand tall. Even if you feel you're standing alone, you are growing roots deeper and more intricate than the world can ever see. This hidden strength is your foundation. If this felt like it was meant for you today, it probably was. Trust that feeling. It's a small sign from the universe, a quiet nod of encouragement. I create these messages for the quiet ones, for the people walking silently through life, carrying their worlds, and still trying their best every single day. I'll share another reflection with you soon. Until then, please be gentle with yourself. You are doing more than enough.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.